Welcome back, guys. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday afternoon. I know I am. It was a really nice day here in Central Oregon. Normally, Sundays are the days that I go out and do a little bit of horseback riding with my wife. Didn't get to do that today. We had the horseshoer come out and trim the hooves. So, it's been a couple weeks since we've uploaded. Everything's fine. Everything's dandy. Kyle's been busy. He's trying to get one of two trucks done. He's either trying to get the one we just painted done to go hunting, or he's trying to get the 4BT F-150 done. It actually was on the road for the first time ever, and we didn't record anything because it was nighttime. I actually did take the GoPro out and record loading it on the trailer, but nothing turned out. It was a complete disaster. We do believe that Kyle's oil cooler is bad on the 4BT F-150. So with that being said, tonight or tomorrow, he's actually putting a new oil cooler in it. He's been filming a little bit, so we're probably going to see a video from Kyle this week. Definitely by Friday, I'd say. Friday or Saturday. Sounds like I might be heading out there this weekend to help him try to get something going so he can go hunting. I just finished up today with the Absolute Customs bumper. So I will have an episode for you guys either, I don't know, tomorrow or possibly Tuesday on the rear bumper build. It turned out pretty good. It was really enjoyable. That rear bumper is a lot easier than that front bumper was. Both of them weren't bad, but a lot of welding. So you guys will see that coming up real soon. I'm going to have some stuff going on. I've got some things I got the shop. I've been just kind of picking up tools today. Went out and did the horse farrier stuff and got the horses trimmed, and we just got back and about ready to eat some dinner. Thought I'd update you guys on what's going on. I've decided I've had another YouTube channel for a while. And if you guys are interested in this, I'm going to link it down below. I am a professional carpet cleaner. I've been a carpet cleaner since I was 18 years old. I'm really good at the trade, and I started my own company, and I started filming and doing some episodes and uploading on that channel. I've got a few episodes uploaded. I've got some random videos, clips, and stuff like that. If that's something that you guys are interested in, jump on down, support my company and my other YouTube channel, and let's try to build some subscribers over there. I really tossed the idea around back and forth, and I was like, you know what? Let's just do this. So I've actually been editing and uploading over there. I've got a few more clips that I've got to put together and upload another couple of videos. But it's been really busy. It's just now dying off, so I'm really looking forward. I'm going to have some snowmobiling videos coming up. I've got to fix the snowmobile trailer. And then we've got to fix the 4BT Cummins Expedition. I don't know what its fate's going to be. A while back, we did an update video, or I did an update video on I found a 4BT Cummins for the Bronco. Well, my idea is to knock the Expedition in the head since it's got a big old body damage on the side. I got that Expedition for free, and then I put a Cummins in it because I had a seized motor. So all the money that I've already put into a Cummins, engine, adapter plate, transmission, I could just dissect that out, and then the Bronco would have a 4BT Cummins, an E40, or not E40D, but a 4R70W overdrive transmission in it. It's kind of been rolling around in my head. Also, the Expedition is for sale right now, so if it sells, it sells. Then we'll go get a 6BT Cummins. I'm really leaning towards just doing a Cummins swap to the Bronco eventually. I want to get it running and drive. Well, it's already running, but I want to get some brake work done and some steering components fixed and the driveline fixed, and then as soon as it's all good to go, then we'll start thinking about putting something else in it. But I thought I'd update you guys. That's what I've been up to. Really haven't been doing much automotive stuff. I've been really working on the business stuff. I had some things that came up maintenance wise on the truck mounts, what we call our carpet cleaning units. It's actually we have two types of truck mounts. I've got a slide-in that's it's got a 45 horse Briggs & Stratton 3-cylinder Daihatsu that runs the one truck, and then the other truck's a direct drive unit, so PTO. And I had some stuff come up on that, and I was like, I didn't really film any of that, but I had to focus my time on the company, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do some YouTubing on that. So check it out. Also heard that Zane's gonna be uploading tonight, so go on over to Hodgepodge Dodge Garage. If you don't know who I'm talking about, you might want to go check him out. He's in this. I'll put his link down below as well. I hope everybody has gotten some stuff done this weekend and got their projects worked on. I hope everybody's doing well. It's always a different day and a different dollar. I'll catch you this week with a new episode, guys. I promise I'll get something out on that bumper. I've got all the clips. I've got it all filmed. I just have to take it inside and edit it up. So that being said, guys, I'm going to go eat dinner. I hope all is well, and we'll see you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans, guys. Good night.